Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition and now unfortunately sold out box by Cult Beauty, and it's the Summer Sunshine box. Oh, it arrived a couple of hours ago, and the reason I'm doing a video is so that you are aware of the type of boxes that Cult Beauty do. If you weren't aware already, that is. Plus, I like to keep it up on my channel so that people can compare it to previous year's boxes that I've unboxed as well. But anyway, the cost of this box is £195 and I bought it for £45. I do have a refer a friend code, which obviously you can't use against this box, but you're welcome to use it on anything on the Cult Beauty website. It's a long code which I'll pop down in my description, but it'll entitle you to receive £5 off your first shop plus a free 30ml Supergoop sunscreen SPF 30. I'll pop that down below in the description. Plus, I'll pop a link to this, where it was, down below in my description, and any other offers or limited edition boxes that Cult Beauty have. You'll find that down there. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you have to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be down there. So let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. It doesn't come with a card, but I'll go through each item one by one, and I think it sold out within a couple of hours. It did sell out super fast. So, first up, Supergoop Play. This is UVB High Protection SPF 50 Everyday Lotion with Sunflower Extract, very water resistant, and there's 71ml here. I'm not going to open it, I'm going to keep it because we're supposed to be going to Greece this year after many years of planning and booking. So hopefully this is the year we can go. So anything like this I am keeping for the holiday. I know I already love the brand, and this just sounds really lovely. So it's an everyday lotion, provides broad spectrum sun protection for face and body. An antioxidant complex made of sunflower, rosemary and rice extracts, protects from UV damage, defending the skin from photoaging and dehydration. Ideal for a day of play, this feel-good moisturising, very water resistant lotion is perfect for all skin tones. Yeah, I really like that. And a really nice size as well. Next, I got a product from Ediit, Advanced Day Ultimate Protection Age Defying Moisturiser with Photolaze, SPF 50, and there's 50ml here. It says, protect and nourish your skin with the Ultimate Medicaid Day Cream, featuring exceptionally high SPF 50+. Derived from high-performance UV filters, this advanced moisturiser helps to keep the visible signs of premature skin aging at bay. Again, I'm not going to be swatching this. So it looks like there. So yeah, really happy about that. Next, I got some supplements, and this is by Ahhh, Beauty Starts From Within. Here Comes the Sun, D3 without UV damage, high potency vitamin D3. There's 30 soft gels here. You take one a day, and it contains 2000 IU or 50 micrograms, which is a really good dose. I currently take 3000 a day, but then I do tend to have a vitamin D deficiency. The three that I've just shown you are the main reasons why I went for this box, definitely. So I've got some supplements. Next, you got a product from Shiseido. This is Expert Sun Protector Face and Body Lotion, 50+, again. And it says Synchro Shield Wet Force X Heat Force. Turns invisible for face and body, very high protection, very water resistant, and we've got 150ml there. I love this brand. The serums, the eye creams, ooh, a little leaflet just fell out, are beautiful. Shake well before use. Yeah, again, I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to take that on holiday and use it on my body. Oh, I'm dying to though. I'm dying to see. I thought it had a seal. Look, there you go. I have used it and I have opened it up now. It's fine. Some on my hands there. Oh, it feels really nice. It's like a serum. Oh, that's so nice. And the smell. It is really beautiful. I get so excited. I remember being excited with last year's box as well. I'm obsessed with anything with SPF, tinted creams, body lotions, moisturisers. Yeah. Dr. Jart Plus. This is a Cicapair Tiger Grass Sleepair Intensive Mask. Specially formulated for sensitive skin, and there's 30ml there. Now I've tried a few Dr. Jart face sheet masks, but not an actual proper mask before. Proper. Sleeping mask to help restore skin with moisture. Directions: apply an appropriate amount as the last step of your bedtime skincare routine. Ooh, it's like a gel. No scent. Can you see? Yeah, no scent. Oh, it doesn't say much about it. I'll have to look online. It's for sensitive skin, it's hydrating, and that's about it. So there's that. Next, I got a product from Ultraviolet, and this is a SPF 50 Sheen Hydrating Lip Balm. Very high protection in rose, and I believe you would either receive this or you'd receive a shimmer one, which is like a goldy shimmer one. This is pretty though, a rose colour. And yeah, it's got SPF 50 in it, in the lip balm. I like that. Oh, it's really hard to get out. Can you see that? Yeah, just a nice tinted lip balm. Then I got Sol de Janeiro, a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And there is 75 mils here. This is the largest Bum Bum Cream I've ever had. I've had little minis before. The smell, oh my word, it does feel amazing on the skin. Aldi did dupes last year, the year before. I love the packaging. The packaging is fab, isn't it? Oh, it's just so nice. I can't describe, it's just summer. It's summer. It's so nice, look how thick and creamy that is. Infused with all-powerful guarana extract. Fast-absorbing body cream, helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. Got a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Next, we've got a full-size Nuxe Paris Sun. This is a refreshing after-sun lotion. Prolongs tanning, helps repair and soothe skin with sun and water flowers. And it's for face and body, and there's 100 mils there. And I've tried this a few times. I've had little samples and I've chosen little samples in like Feel Unique Pick and Mix. And it is really nice. It's a really nice lotion. The smell. Oh, have you ever had the spray, the Nuxe spray, the hair and body spray, the oil then? Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. It is really nice. A refreshing after sun lotion. That's really nice. Next, we've got an underarm deodorant by Kopari, coconut oil deodorant. It doesn't contain aluminium, it's completely natural, and that's all I can say about it. Yeah, I've already got one of these. And it's nice. I like the fact that you can push it up, because a lot of my natural deodorants, they come either in a little balm in a tin or in a pot where you have to put your fingers in to get it out. There, can you see? Push up. So we've got deodorant. And then lastly, we've got a little sample. This is by Zit Sticker Mega Shade SPF 50 Breakout Proof Sunscreen Serum. UVA, UVB, broad spectrum, won't block pores for sensitive skins. Lightweight formula, 7 mils. I'm going to give that to my daughter. That's just like an added extra they've put in there. Yeah, so those are all the products inside this year's Cult Beauty Sunshine Edit beauty box. I love it. I love everything in there. I just love the thought behind it all. Everything I can just gather all up, put it in a bag and take it on holiday with me. It's, yeah, I just really love them. I do really love them, and it's no wonder that it's sold out. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? How does it compare to previous years? Did you buy it, or did you think, nah, do you know what, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.